This video shows how to resize an image in Notion. I'm using a sample page called Resize Image just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Move your cursor to the image you want to resize. You will see a thin gray handle on the left and right side of the image. Move your mouse over the left gray handle. Click and hold your mouse. Drag left to make the image bigger. Drag right to make the image smaller. Release your mouse. Now move your mouse over the right gray handle. Click and hold your mouse. Drag right to make the image bigger. Drag left to make the image smaller. Release your mouse. The image is now resized. That's how you resize an image in Notion.